Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI application. And you need to install and set up this application, and also you need to add your earbuds to this application, because by default you cannot call voice assistant. And if you don't know how to do this, at this channel we have videos about it, so you can check it. Now, when you open the application, you will see this menu. Right here you need to click at the gesture, right here at the bottom. And you can add to call voice assistant only to press and hold. So now decide, you wanna use the left or right earbud. I'm going to use left earbud, but it's the same with the right one. Just click on it and then select voice assistant. And as you can see, if I click at the right one, I have the same. And now let's check it. So right here I have touch area, and you need to press and hold this touch area. So I put it to my ear and I'm press and holding it, and as you can see I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, you will call Gemini. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!